Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're here to share creative DIY ideas, decor tips, and easy woodworking projects to inspire your home and business. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community for more exciting craft tutorials and inspiring projects. Stay tuned and get inspired. A magical touch. Incorporate herbs and vegetable patches for a functional garden that's both beautiful and useful. The beauty of this project lies in its simplicity. You only need a few wooden planks, some sandpaper, wood stain, or paint, and brackets or mounting hardware. The design is minimalist but elegant, fitting into various interior styles from rustic to modern. Because it's straightforward to assemble, even beginners can craft these shelves with confidence. The key to selling fast is to focus on quality finishings and a sleek, clean look that appeals to a broad audience. Pricing these custom shelves competitively is crucial for quick sales. Consider sourcing affordable yet durable wood, such as pine or plywood, which look great when finished well. Offering different sizes or customizable options, like painted or stained finishes, can boost appeal. High-quality photos showcasing the shelves styled in real home settings will attract more buyers. Remember, presentation is everything. Highlight their versatility and practicality in your marketing to increase demand. Marketing your wooden shelves effectively involves social media, local markets, and online platforms. Create eye-catching videos or photos demonstrating their installation and how they enhance a room's decor. Emphasize their affordability, ease of installation, and functional design. Limited-time discounts or bundle deals can also create urgency. Engaging with your audience through comments and feedback helps build trust and encourages quick purchases. The more attractive and accessible you make the product, the faster it will sell. One of the reasons this project sells fast is because of its universal appeal. Everyone needs extra storage or a stylish way to display photos and decor items. These shelves are perfect for small spaces, apartments, or even as gift items. They can be customized with different paint colors, stencils, or decorative accents to match various home styles. By offering streamline your production. Prepare your wood pieces in advance and set up a dedicated workspace. Focus on quality control, smooth sanding, even finishes, and sturdy mounting. Consistency in your craft ensures satisfied customers and positive reviews, which lead to more sales. Consider creating a few sample pieces to showcase your craftsmanship on social media. Pricing strategies should reflect the quality and effort involved but remain competitive. Typically, these shelves can be sold at a profit margin of 30 to 50%, depending on your material costs and time invested. Offering bundle deals or seasonal discounts can significantly boost sales volumes. Remember, fast-selling products often Thank you for tuning into Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We hope this simple woodworking project inspires you to start creating and selling quickly. Remember, consistency, quality, and good marketing are the secrets to fast sales. Don't hesitate to experiment with designs or finishes to find what works best for your audience. Stay motivated, keep honing your craft, and watch your business grow. We look forward to seeing your success stories. Happy woodworking and selling. Stay tuned for more craft and decor tips coming soon.